another hard sudoku to solve. This is again from Metro newspaper. Today's copy, which is 25th of April 2025. Let's get into it. So just make sure, is that the right? Oh no, that's too thin. Let's make that thicker. A lot thicker. That's better. Okay, so right. Roughly timing myself. Okay, so seeing a 3 here and a 3 here and a 3 down here, which means that this must be a 3 because the other ones can't be. Process of elimination. Oh yeah, 9 here and a 9 here, and the 9 up here, so then that's got to be 9. Down there. Let's do that again. Make that a little bit thicker. So, okay, so what I've got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. 4, 5, and 8, and there's the 4 and there's the 8, so that's got to be 5. So then that's 4 and 8 in there, these 2. So then the others are 1, 5, 7, 6. And the 2 6s there, that's got to be 6. Okay. Okay, talking of 6s, that's 6, and we've got a 6 here and a 6 there, so that's got to be a 6. So that remaining as 2, 4, and 7. In that bottom row. Okay, and we've got these are 4 and 8. Oh, yeah, 2 here and 2 here, so then that's got to be 2 in there. This 1 is cancelling out these ones, so that's got to be 1. Remaining 7 and 8. If it's 7 and 8, that means the remaining ones are 3, 4, 9, and the others. And there's a 3 here, and there's a 3 up there, so that's therefore got to be 3. Is that right? Double check. So that's 7 and 8. So the remaining ones are, did I get that right? So 7, 8 there, then the others are 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, right. And that is a 3 there. So then the others are 2 and 4. 2 and 4, right. Okay. Okay, 3's going across here and the 3 up there, so that means that's got to be 3. And that means that this has got to be 3 because the 3's cancelling that out. Right, so we've got all the 3's. 1s, and there's a 1 there, so that's got to be 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6. 9. Okay, so 9's, 9, and 9 there, so the middle one's got to be 9. it's 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8 remaining. There's the 6. There's the 5. And 8. Okay, so this middle row of 1, 2, 3. So 4, 6, and 8 are left over. Oh, there are the 2 8s, so that's got to be 8 in there, which means 4 and 6 in the middle. That's 4 and 6. Okay, there's the 9 at the top. So these can't be 9. This can't be 9, so then this has got to be 9. Okay. Okay. 2, 4, 7. This line 1, 2, 4, 8. Oh, okay. Yes. So one of these has got to be 8. 7 and 8 are in here. So then this can't be 8. And because we've got 8 up here, that's cancelling that out. And also, one of these has to be 8. So that means that these can't be 8. So that means that, therefore, has to be 8. Right, because 8 must be in here, so that can't be 8, and 8 must be in here, so these can't be 8. That's 8, and that's 8 up there, so that can't be 8, so that's the remaining one. And we've got 1, 2, and 4 remaining in that row. Okay. 5, 6. Jumping around here. 6. Ah, okay, that's missing an 8, so that can't be 8, so that's got to be 6, and that's got to be 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's the 6 there, so that's got to be 5. That's got to be 6. Do that 5 in the centre. Got to do the numbers nice and neatly, otherwise I get distracted. Can't see it so clearly, so 5 and 6. So 1, let's row 1, 7, 8. Ah, these can't be 8 because we've got an 8 here and an 8 down there, so then that's got to be 8 there, which means that's got to be 7, which means this has got to be 5. So that these numbers are 4 and 6. 4 and 6 in there, so this has to be 1 and 7 there. A little bit stuck. What am I missing? Is it 2? I can't be 2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. It's 4, 8. brick wall. What am I missing? 2, 4. 2, 4, 7. Let's look at this column here. 1, 4, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7. This has to be a 2. 2, 4, 2, 4. Oh, hang on. These have to be either 2 or 4 in there. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, this also has to be 2 or 4. Right. So that means we can discount those numbers in this top row. So 1, 5, 7, 9. 7 is a 5. These has to be 5. Oh, okay, I've just found one. Oh, it's probably staring me in the face. This has got to be 8. Right, because there's 8 there and 8 there. Okay, that was an obvious one. I missed it. So then let's look at this row, because we've taken up one of the squares, so the remaining squares might be an answer in there. So what's missing? 4, 5, and 7. 4, 5, and 7. Here's 5 and 7 down here. So that's 4. So then that is obviously 8. Actually, I'm going to have to backtrack because that's going to distract me otherwise. So 8 there. 8 goes in there, therefore, we said that was 4. 5 and 7 in there, 5 and 7, and therefore 2 and 4 in there. Right, let's look back here. We used up these numbers, so 1, 5, 6, 7 are in there. 1, 5, 6. Okay. 2, 4, 5, 7. So 2. This is a bit tricky. 2. Okay, 4. Here's the 4. There's another 4, so that means that's 4. Because the other boxes can't be because I cancelled out, which means up here is a 2. And we said that that was 2 or 4, and this one was 2 or 4 as well. So if these are 2 or 4, then that's 4, and that's 2. Okay, right. I think we might be getting somewhere. What are we? 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's get back down here again. 1. There's 1 and 2 in there. 2, 5, 7. 2. 5, 2, 4, 7. Come on. I'm close. I'm very close. 1, 2. There. 2, 4, 6, 7. 6, 7. 2. This is taking me a while. 2, 5, 7. 4, 6, 7. I just think there's something staring me in the face. There's something obvious. I'm just missing it. 1, 5, 7, 9. It's got to be a 5. It's got to be a 5. 5. I've got most of it. Why can't I just figure out this last part? 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. How long has this been going on? Too long. Okay, I think I've got it. I think I've got something here. So I've noticed that in this box, one of these two squares has to be a 6, because it can't be 6, these ones can't be 6. And similarly, in this lower box, one of these two boxes has to be a 6. So that means either like that's a 6 and that's a 6, or that's a 6 and that's a 6. So if that's the case, and it is, then this can't be a 6. Therefore, that's got to be 6 there. And then the other number that's missing is 4. Okay, 4. 4 might be the key here. Is it? No, it's not. Damn. Anyway, 6. So that might have used up one of these boxes here. 1, 2, 4, 7. 2, 4. Back, and I have just figured it out, and certainly not easy, but I have figured it out. And what makes it tricky is because I'm not taking any notes as I'm doing this. I'm just doing it looking at this blank, at this puzzle as you can see it now. But what I found was that, okay, in here has got to be 5 or 7, right? And also here also has to be 5 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 5 or 7 there. So if those are 5 or 7, then the other numbers must be in this row, must be the remaining numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 9. So 5 and 7, 5, 7, 4, 6, 9. And I see there's a 4 and a 9 there, so then that's got to be 6. Yep. 6. I think I might have deleted something by mistake. Right. So if that's 6, then that I think is going to be the breakthrough, because we've got 6 here, so that means that's got to be 6. So we said that's 5, 9, 5, 9, and then the others are, what did we say? 5, 9, 5, 9, so 4 and 7. No. 5, 9, 5, 9. No, 5, 7, 5, 7. Sorry. 5, 7, 5, 7 in there. 4, 6, 9. So that's going to be 4 or 9. 4 or 9 there. Right. Okay. So anyway, let's look at this row. 1, 5, 7. Oh, that's not giving me anything more. Ah, yes. Here's the 1, so that can't be 1. 1 and 1 there, so that's got to be 1. And that means if this 9 is there, and there's a 9 here, then that's got to be 9. Okay, we're closing in on it. Right, that's 9, that's 9, so then that's got to be 9. That means 4, 5, 7. That doesn't help me. Let's look at the top there. Do that again. Yeah. 5 and 7. There. Oh, there's the 5 down there, so then that's got to be 7. That's got to be 5. Which means that's 7, which means that's 7. Okay, I think we're on our way 2, 4, and 5. There's the 4 down there, so that's got to be 4 and 5. That's got to be 5 then. 1, 2, 7. Okay, we still don't know those ones yet. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. We don't know those ones yet. Oh, there's the 7, so that's got to be 1, and that's 7. 7. That's got to be 7 then. 1, 2, 4. Okay, that's 4. There's 1, 2. 2. That's got to be 7. That's got to be 1. And then the rest is easy. 4, 5, 2. Okay, that took a while, but the key was realizing that these two squares here were either 5 or 7, which meant that that one had to be this one had to be 9 or something like that. Okay, we got there in the end. Thanks for watching.